Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is Patriotic wind chimes. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. I'm not exactly 100% sure what sizes I'm going to use, so I just got out all of my terracotta pots, and they go anywhere from 4 inches all the way down to little teeny tiny ones. I have red, white, and blue paint. I have some twine. I may use a thicker rope. I haven't decided yet. I have my glitter. I have white, I have red, and I have blue. And I have outdoor Mod Podge. And I've had this for a long time, actually only used it once, but for what I have in mind, I think I need this. And I have some rings, and these are key rings, and I just wanted round. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint all of my terracotta pots that I have sitting here white. And that way, whatever I decide to do, they're good to go. Okay, I got everything painted. I did a couple coats, and granted it's not 100% on all of them because I'm going to be painting again. But I got 3 different sizes that will fit inside each other. This one is, I think, a 3-inch, 2.5, and a 2. And you can see they fit inside each other. And these are all different sizes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint. Big surprise. But what I'm going to do is one is going to be red, one's going to be white, and one will be blue. After I get that all done, I found these in my stash. And I'm pretty sure I got them at Walmart a while ago. And they're just little round beads. And I like these better than the wood ones that I originally planned on using. And the baker's twine will fit right in there with no problem. And that is definitely big enough so that even the largest hole, it won't go through. So I'm going to get to painting, and then we'll go on from there. I do have some fishing line for the finishing touch, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, I got all of them painted that I want painted. And I have to wait for it to completely dry. There's little bits here and there that's going to need a touch up, but I don't want to do that until everything's dry and I can get back in there to fix whatever I have to fix. So basically I'm just waiting for paint to dry. Okay, I've got this Mod Podge, and it's outdoor Mod Podge. And it does say it's water-based, so it washes up with soap and water. And I can honestly say I have not used this in years and years and years. I do remember that this takes longer to dry than regular Mod Podge. And after you do whatever you're going to do with this, you put a couple of very light coats on top. And of course you could do that, or you could always spray it with clear glaze spray paint. So I'm going to do my usual. I've got my folded paper, and I've got my glitter, and I'm going to give the red a coat of Mod Podge with the red glitter, the blue, the white with the clear. This is going to be the basis for what I'm going to do. Once I get this done, then I can start on the blinging it. So, I'll be back after I'm completely done covering these. Okay, now that all the Mod Podge and glitter is nice and dry, I'm going to give all of these a really good coat of the Krylon Triple Thick Clear Glaze. And this should seal it in and help to make it a little weatherproof. Although it's going to be under eaves and in trees still. So I have to do those and these. And I'm going to give them at least one coat, maybe two. Okay, I've got a really good coat of the clear glaze on there, and I honestly don't think it needs anything else. This one here, nothing's coming off. Ooh, look at the way they sparkle. Ask me again why I like glitter so much. That's why. Okay, when they're completely dry, I'm going to be taking them in and putting them all together. Okay, I've got all of my terracotta pots already spray painted, and I'm not worried about any of the glitter coming off. And I have some of my colored gems. These are mostly Christmas ornaments. I have some beads. These are clear plastic, and I do believe I got these at Walmart a long time ago. I've got some rings. They're split rings, and they're usually used as a for keys. And I've got some baker's twine, and I got this at the Dollar Tree. And what I want to do is pull quite a bit of this baker's twine off, and having too much is better than not enough. So this is about a yard. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is put the split ring on the baker's twine. And this is I've folded it over so that there's the loop in the center. Okay. And the reason that I'm using baker's twine is because it's going to slide through these holes so easily. Okay, and then I'm going to put one of the clear beads on, and then I'll put the next size, a clear bead, the next size. To help keep these separated, I've got the ball here, and I've got it almost all the way down, and I'm going to tie a knot in the baker's twine. And it's going to help keep that clear ball in there where I have it and keep it separated. And to be honest with you, trying to get this baker's twine in the holes of this is a pain. I'm actually like stuffing it down in with a pin. I would probably have been better off using upholstery thread because it's a lot stiffer, but I'm stubborn. So I'm going to try and get at least one done with this baker's twine, and I'm probably going to use the upholstery thread for the other ones. But I've actually, of course, did the old wet the end like you do with thread, and get one in there and then start stuffing it in with the end of the pin, or needle rather. Okay, I added just a little tiny bit of glue to the knot right above the gemstone, and I cut that off. And I really like this. And I'm going to get the other ones done, and we'll be hanging them outside just in time for the holiday. Okay, I'm going to do upholstery thread on the other ones because it's going to be a whole lot easier. But yeah, I like the way this turned out. And there they are done, just sparkling away like crazy. And I can't wait to get them outside. And they do make a little noise. No chime, but they do clank. But they're going to look so good outside. Well, there they are in the tree. And like I said, they are chimes, but they don't tinkle. Oh, I love the way the sun's hitting those. All ready for the 4th or any patriotic holiday that's coming up. So what do you think of the red, white, and blue? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it sparkling?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.